That's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are, big bagger kit. Okay, these are 17s. These are basically 17-inch 1¼ diameter bars, so you got the double thickness going on here. 1 inch in the middle and 1¼ up here, going to 1 inch at the ends for your switch gear. Okay, comes complete with all your wiring, all your cables. As you can see, longer throttle cables, idle cable, brake hose, which goes to this, goes to this, goes to the bottoms, clutch cable, wiring extension kit. Okay, which basically will do any length, but this particular kit fits 18 to 20s. So on these bars there will be about an inch and a half spare, maybe 2 inch spare. But you can obviously reroute the cables. If basically this kit does anything up to 20, so if you buy the bigger kit, it's only a matter of rerouting, go left to right and right to left, you know, and you can get rid of that excess if you need it. But if ever you want to go for the bigger 20s, you can. Otherwise you've got to redo the whole job again. Okay, so personally we'd recommend buying one slightly longer than you need in case you ever want to change it. But beautiful bars, 1¼ sorry they're all wrapped up, but as you can see here, great quality gear, stainless steel fittings and chrome. Massively improved the braking. This particular bike's for an 07, so as you can see here, this is a very cool bit of kit. And the bagger rates, obviously, don't forget, do come back. You cannot use normal Apes on a bagger. Okay, this particular offset bit here is almost 2 or 3 inches longer than normal, so a normal Ape kit will not do. So if you buy a 16-inch Ape kit, it will not fit on a bagger. Okay, give us a call, 01773835566, alternatively customcruises.com. Thank you.